Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host. Today, we're talking about a game-changing secret for electric car owners who are struggling with range anxiety. Imagine you've just bought an electric car, like the Mustang Mach-E, and everything seems perfect. But after 2 months of use, you start noticing a gradual drop in range. You check your battery level, but it's still full. You wonder if there's something wrong with your car. Well, one owner, Ped, discovered that there might be more to it than meets the eye. Ped, a Mustang Mach-E owner himself, was puzzled by the sudden decline in his car's range. At first, he thought maybe he was driving too aggressively or using the air conditioning too much. But after researching and experimenting, he stumbled upon an often overlooked aspect of electric cars: the importance of understanding how the battery and range work. According to Ped, the onboard computer calculates the remaining range based on the driving history of the last few kilometers covered. This means that sporty driving or intensive use of the air conditioning over a short period can distort the range estimate and give the impression that the car is running out of fuel more quickly than expected. Now, Ped tried something unusual. He reset his driving history. And guess what? It worked. After resetting the counters, he noticed a significant increase in the range displayed, from 336 kilometers to over 530 kilometers. What's more, the actual range corresponded more closely to the estimate displayed by the onboard computer. But Ped's experience doesn't end there. He also learned about other tips for optimizing the range of an electric car. Smooth, anticipatory driving, avoiding sudden acceleration and braking, reduces energy consumption. Using the eco or regenerative mode, which recovers energy when braking, helps to increase range. And did you know that outside temperature plays a significant role? Electric car batteries perform less well in cold weather, so it's advisable to preheat the battery before setting off in winter, while the car is still plugged into a power socket. And for those who plan to charge their cars at home, having a home charging point means you can charge your car overnight at a low rate. So there you have it, folks, a simple secret that could well be a game changer for future electric vehicle buyers. By understanding how the battery and range work and adopting a few simple tips, you can optimize the range of your vehicle and reduce anxiety about recharging. And that's not all. Initiatives like Ped's, which share valuable information and practical tips, are essential to support the transition to more sustainable mobility. Thanks for tuning in to Electro Drive News. Join us next time for more electric car news and tips.